Rabi bin Sabra Johni reports from his father, Allah's Apostle ﷺ accorded us permission to contract temporary marriage. So I and a man went to a woman of Banu Amir. That woman was young and long-necked. We presented ourselves to her. She whereupon said, "What will you pay?" I said, "Here is my chador sheet." My companion said, "Here is my chador as well." Actually, my companion's sheet was superior to mine, but it was younger than him. When that woman would look at my companion's sheet, she would like it, but when she would look at me, I would fascinate her. She then said to me, "You and your chador are sufficient for me." I then stayed with her 3 nights. Thereafter, Allah's Apostle ﷺ made it public that whosoever had temporary wives, let them go. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3405.